First of all, welcome to my dear third semester BA students. Welcome to my dear BA third semester basic English students. Today onwards we start the online classes, and due to the online classes my subject is basic English. Basic English. Basic English of third semester BA. Third semester. Basic English BA third semester. First of all, you understand first what is the syllabus in your textbook. What is the syllabus in your textbook? You know that I think in your basic English in your textbook there is a 5 biographical sketch or 5 chapters, and also some of these grammar points in your syllabus. So today's online class we discuss about the syllabus, of your BA third semester. About the syllabus. And in your syllabus, the first biographical sketch is Vinoba. And the Vinoba was written by Helen Tennyson. Vinoba was written by Helen Tennyson. Second, Charles Darwin. And the Charles Darwin was written by Charles Robert Darwin. Charles Darwin was written by Charles Robert Darwin. Third biographical sketch or chapter Joan of Arc. And this Joan of Arc was written by R.N. Roy. Next, the fourth biographical or chapter is or lesson is The Friend of the Slave. The Friend of the Slave. The Friend of the Slave was written by Dorothy King. And last biographical or lesson or chapter in the syllabus, Leo Tolstoy. And this Leo Tolstoy was written by Ronald Sachs. So my dear ones, these are the 5 biographical sketch or chapter or lesson in your syllabus BA third semester. Vinoba is written by Helen Tennyson. Charles Darwin is written by Charles Robert Darwin. Joan of Arc was written by R.N. Roy. The Friend of the Slave is written by Dorothy King. Liver Party was written by Ronald Seth. These are the some of this biographical sketch or chapter or lesson in your textbook. Textbook. And remaining part. What is the remaining part? Grammar part. Grammar part. Grammar part. What are the grammar part in your BA third semester of basic English? The grammar part is also, I think, the examiner asked the 30% or 30 marks. Grammar is also included in the textbook, in your syllabus. What are the grammar point? First point is confusing words. Confusing words. Confusing words. Next part is one word substitution. One word substitution. Next part is interpretation of notice. Interpretations of public notice. Interpretation of public notice. Interpretations of public notice. Next part, welcome address. Welcome address. Welcome address. And last part is CV writing. CV writing. These are the, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 concept in your 5 concept grammar part in your syllabus. Confusing words, one word substitution, interpretation of public notice, welcome addresses, and CV writing. CV writing means what? Curriculum vitae. But these are the some of this, I think, textbook, biographical sketch, and also the grammar point. But how the examiner is asked the questions, the pattern of the question, the pattern of the annual question part is, you know that the 50% question is asked on the biographical sketch, the 5 biographical sketch, and 30% marks ask the grammar point. Ask the grammar point. So my dear ones, these are the patterns. Question pattern means 50 marks is asking on the textbook and 30 marks is asking on a grammar point. So my dear ones, totally the 18 marks questions is asked in your BA third semester basic English. And no doubt, here I stop my today I explain about the syllabus, and next class onwards we start the biographical sketch of the grammar point. So here I stop my today's online class. First to understand, my dear ones, what is the syllabus? What is the syllabus in your BA third semester basic English? So today I have stopped my lecture. Thank you one and all.